Heading is monitoring.
Okay, monitoring of what?
Monitoring of
Then in the downstream, what you have the chlorine,
chlorine is
you
there.
have pH,
We have,
you have turbidity,
we have here,
yes.
we are. Sorry?
Give me recommendation. Monitoring of.
Recommendation, monitoring for anoxic tank, monitoring of anoxic tank.
I will check.
DAC quality, yes.
I will check.
Anoxic tank.
But that's all.
Check all these things, like pH is there, for quality, ammonia.
Okay, let me put monitoring of anoxic tank in bracket pH.
I think you need complete equipment.
No, put this one, go ahead, not go ahead, that is the difference.
Just like open.
No. First, let's put his
Actually,
ORP. Then
all right.
We have to-
recommendation should be is that ORP is to be provided in anoxic tank.
ORP.
Yeah.
ORP to be provided.
In anoxic tank. As per contract, ammonia is required.
Only enough.
So Ahmed, I'm highlighting it here. You can come back to us by tomorrow if you have information.
No, whatever recommendation you are giving,
अच्छा दे बिल्कुल लेटर.
they-
Safeguard, what are the consequences if it is not happening? There is no work. How you monitor the demand?
ORP. ORP is just ionic strength measures. If your
Ultimately process of
nitrate is more, then or it will value. There will be some set point. So that you can aware of that denitrification is going proper denitrification.
Okay, so we are saying ORP monitoring is a concern. It may have some process upset somewhere.